Hi guys, I am going to show you how you can add your social media links to your Google business profile. It is a new feature and it's really awesome, and I will show you how you could do that right now. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can always get to see new content on these new features that we cover. Now, so the first thing you want to do is go to Google Business Profile, search for Google Business Profile, find a way to get there, whether it's through searching by Google My Business or Google Business Profile itself. And then also you want to make sure you are logged into your Google channel. As you can see to the right here, we are logged in. Okay. Once you have that all set up, you click Google Business Profile and then go to Manage Now on the top right here. As you can see, Manage Now. Now I'm going to click Manage Now. And after that, you will see your profile. You should be able to see your profile showing up right here with the edit profile, read reviews. This should be your display, obviously. And if you want to then add links, we're going to show you how to do that, where they have added this feature. You want to tap Edit Profile, as you can see here, Edit Profile. So I just click to that. And once you go to Edit Profile, you go all the way down till you see Social Profiles here. You see it's a new feature, like I said. And then you could just start adding. So let's click that right here. And so it shows you your social profile. And excuse me, first one is Twitter. So we are going to put our Twitter profile in here. Sorry, Twitter link and profile, I should say. And then let's pick another one here. Facebook, and then we will put our Facebook one in here as well. And as you can see, you could add a good amount, like they are all in here. TikTok, we are going to add our TikTok here. And these are also channels that you can connect with us on as well. We are pretty lively on these channels here, so don't miss out, because we also post content on there that's very, very helpful. And then we have our Pinterest channel, which we also have. So I'm going to copy that here and just paste it. And so you can see that's how you can pretty much add your links there. And once you are done, you want to hit save. So we've just added those links there. Your edit is pending. It usually takes up to 10 minutes to be reviewed. And once it's reviewed, you then can have the opportunity to see your social profiles on your Google business. We're going to add YouTube here real quick too, because we have our YouTube channel link. So that's pretty much how you can add your social media links to your Google business. All you have to do is go to Edit Profile, and then scroll all the way down till you get to your business information. And then you should be able to do that. I don't think we have Instagram here. I'm going to add Instagram as well. So we're just adding all our links here so you could see how this is done. And the last one, I believe, that we haven't added is LinkedIn. And we're going to add that here. LinkedIn at BizCrown Media. So these are all, as you can see, these are all the ones that they have available. And so we're going to click Save. And then again, this is pending. So because we saved these first, so it's current, now pending again. And I'm just going to go back to the business information here. And now it's on our profile. So if we were to say BizCrown Media, you could see here to the right and bottom right here, we have our profiles all listed. So that's where your profiles will be showing up once they are approved. So that's how you can do this marvelous task, which should help a lot with growing your awareness on Twitter, on all your social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram. So this is really, really cool. Again, if this was helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on these new features when they come out and we do content on them. Till next time, take care.